Okay, children, now I am going to take the standard 4th English. Let us know, page number 79. This is in front of, behind and between. This is the grammar we are going to say today. Look at this picture and find the dog. So in the first picture, the dog is in front of his kennel. And in second picture, it is behind, and in the third picture is in between the two houses. So this is in front of, behind, between. In front of na munnadi, behind na pinadi, and between வந்து ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் இடையில. So this only we are going to see today. So the first one is the dog is in front of the house. The dog is behind the house. The dog is between the houses. So these words only tells us where the dog is. Such words are called prepositions. So in front of, behind, and between. So these are all prepositions. This is the preposition. This only we are going to say now, prepositions. Such words are called in front of, behind, between. So this is known as the preposition. So here take the correct place of the apple. Here they are given the box and the apple. So here box at the back side la apple irukku. So behind or between. Back side idale pinnadi idale behind. Box ku munnadi irundha in front of. In between rendu boxes ku naduvula irundha, that is you have to write between. That is the preposition. And here write the correct preposition. The doll is dash the box. Write the correct preposition. They are given the doll and you have to write the correct preposition. Write the correct preposition. So the doll is, in the first picture, the doll is dash the box. Box ku munnadi irukka. So in front of, munnadi irundha in front of appdin fill pananum. In front of the box. Then next one, the doll is between the boxes. Rendu box ku naduvula irundha, you have to write between the boxes nu eludum. Okay, the doll is pinadi irukku, the box ku pinadi. So behind, the doll is behind the box. So these are the preposition. Okay. Now imagine yourself as a rabbit and tell your friend dear where you are. So I am dash the rock. So I am rabbit enga irukku, in front of the rock. And dear is I am behind the tree. And I am between the bushes. So you have to write first picture. So நீங்க rabbit நினைச்சுக்கோங்க, friend dear கிட்ட நீங்க எங்க இருக்குன்னு சொல்லணும். So இங்க rabbit picture எங்க இருக்குது? I am in front of the rock. First one is I am in front of. Rock க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்குது அந்த rabbit. In front of the rock. Okay, so you write in the field of rock. Second one, I am மரத்துக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கு இல்லையா? So you have to write behind. I am behind the tree. So, then last one, I am between the bushes. ரெண்டு புஷ்னா ரெண்டு புதர்களுக்கு நடுவில். I am between the bushes. Okay, so this is the preposition. And now before and after. Next one is before and after. Here are the some of the toys that they are given. Before, after. So before na munnadi, after na pinadi. Here the 4 toys are given: green, yellow, blue and orange. So the yellow toy is before the blue toy. So yellow toy வந்து before the blue toy க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கு. The blue toy is after the yellow toy. Blue toy எப்படி இருக்குது? yellow க்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கு. The here before indicates the position preceding. After indicates the position following. Before na முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது சொல்றது. After வந்து பின்னாடி இருக்குது. Like that they given the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here A. So in this A என்ன இருக்குது? 5 is after dash. 5 எதுக்கு அப்புறம் இருக்குது? 5 is after 4. Then 1 is dash 2. 1 is எங்கே இருக்குது? Before 2. 2க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கு. Okay, before not 2. Then 3 is before எதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்குது? 4. 3 is before 4க்கு முன்னாடி. Then 6 is after 5. After 5. Then okay, so like that our ABCD கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. That you can write by yourself. E F. So இதை பார்த்துட்டு நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்? A sum. A is dash B. B வந்து D is dash E. C. And C is E is dash F. And last one B is dash C. Okay, like this you have to write, fill this one. Okay, then here the 4 girls are standing: Anish, Vishali, Aditya, Devi. So you have to write here. First Anish is standing, then Vishali, Anish, Vishali, சரியா? Then Aditya and Devi. Okay, so 4 children are there. Aditya is standing dash Devi. First one is Aditya is standing dash Devi. Then second one, Vishali is standing dash Anish. So Aditya is standing dash Devi. Aditya யாருக்கு பின்னாடி நிற்கிறாங்க? Devi. So Aditya is standing before, முன்னாடி, before Devi. Then Vishali is standing dash Anish. That is after. Okay, now watermelon, pineapple, banana, apple is there. So watermelon is before pineapple, banana is after the apple. Okay. So here watermelon. So will you complete this? Watermelon, then pineapple, apple and banana. ஸோ இந்த ஆர்டரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இந்த ஆர்டரில் நீங்கள் இதை ஃபில் பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. வாட்டர்மெலன் இஸ் dash pineapple. Then second one, banana is dash apple. Okay, this you can write it by yourself. Now the next one is let us speak. In this they are given the conversation. Hello sir, a conductor and a passenger. So hello sir, give me ticket to Trichy. The boy is asking. How many tickets do you need? The conductor asked. Only one ticket sir. So immediately the conductor says it costs 120 rupees. So he giving the money. Here it is. Here's your ticket and the change. The conductor is saying. What time does the bus leave? The passenger is asking. The conductor says the bus leaves in 5 minutes. Will you stop the bus for breakfast? So passenger enna kekran, breakfast ku the bus will stop or not? Yes, we will stop in Alandur for breakfast. When will we reach Trichy? Again the passenger asking, when will we reach? We will reach Trichy by 12:30 p.m. The passenger says, thank you sir. So Read this and conversation கேட்டு பாருங்க. Does this bus go to Trichy? How much is the ticket to Trichy? Give me a ticket. When will you start the bus? Like this, the conversation you can talk with your friends. Give me 120 rupees. We are leaving in 5 minutes. We are about to leave. So like this, you can have the conversation. And the next one is, let us read a true friend story. Nandini and Pandi were good friends. So both of them are good friends since childhood. They lived in the same street so that they can walk and chat and go together. So they are walking and chatting and playing and always be going together. So let us read page number 82. A true friend. Okay. Yeah, true friend. So they were always go together. By every day, Pandi would stop at her home on the way to school. So always Pandi would stop at Nandini's house and they will go together by walks and chatting and playing. Sometimes they would race home from school. They will keep the race, who will come first. They always took part in school activities together. So all the activities, games, everything they will participate. They helped each other in the lessons also, like you're helping your friends now. One day, as usual, Pandi came to Nandini's home. So when Pandi came to Nandini's home, she looked upset and sad. Pandi asked her, "Why are you sad?" She did not answer. Sad. Instead, she shook her head. Didn't even open her mouth, but she shook her head. "Did your parents scold you?" Her parents and asked Pandi. She did not answer him. She didn't reply. He grabbed her bag and said excitedly, "Catch me if you can." Bag appadingettu odi ponanga. That is, he grabbed her bag and said excitedly. But she did not respond. Also she didn't give any response. Pandi stopped and gave the bag back. So Pandi he stopped it and gave the bag to that girl. They walked silently to the school. That time also, this Nandini, she didn't talk. Then Nandini walked into the classroom. Slowly she walked. Her eyes glued to the ground. She did not look at anybody. She just She looked sad. "Did someone scold you?" asked one of her friends in the class. "Why she is so sad? Did anyone scold you?" she asked her friends. Nandini shook her head. For that also she shook her head. She sat down with her head bowed down. She went to her place and and she sat there with his head bowed down. And the teacher entered the classroom and started calling out the names for the attendance. So when teacher entered the classroom and she was taking the attendance, Nandini did not answer when the teacher called her name. The teacher was annoyed. Usually Nandini will answer, but the teacher was very much upset. This time she called her name louder, "Nandini," and then she raised her hand but did not answer. She had just raised her hand but she didn't answer. The teacher went near Nandini. She touched her forehead and asked, "Are you feeling okay?" Nandini shook her head. Teacher she went near to the Nandini and asked her, "Are you feeling okay?" For that also she shook her head. Her cheeks were red and it looked like she had a fever. Cheeks red and or fever vara mari aichu Nandiniki. "Do you have a fever? Shall I call your parents?" asked the teacher. So what the teacher said, "Shall I call your parents if you got a fever?" she said. For that also she shook her head, but still she did not look at anyone. Her head was still bowed down. "Why does Nandini look so sad?" exclaimed her friends. "Yeah, why she is so sad?" all the friends are exclaimed. Her friends pestered her with 100 questions. She did not answer. The questions are about everything that you think about. What happened, but no answer at all. They asked their family, her house, her shoes, and even about the street pets. She didn't reply. Each question that she was asked, Nandini only answered by shaking her head. Pandi had enough of Nandini's and Pandi's friend. So what he had done, he had never seen Nandini so dull. He wanted an idea. To make her smile. He thought and thought and thought for many hours. Finally, he had an idea. He got it. What's that idea? He took out something from his bag and ran to show it to her. ஸோ பேக்லேருந்து எடுத்து அது நந்தினிக்கு வாண்ட் டு ஷோ இட் டு ஹர். He tumbled and it slipped from his hands. அது என்னாச்சு, அவன் கையிலேருந்து ஸ்லிப் ஆகி அவங்க போயிடுச்சு, எகிரிட்டு போயிடுச்சு. இட் வாஸ் ஃப்ளையிங் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் டு நந்தினி. அது என்னாச்சு, நேராக நந்தினி கிட்ட போய் விழுந்துச்சான். ஷீ saw something flying towards her and screamed with fear. Suddenly that கையில் வச்சுருந்த அந்த இது வந்து பறந்து போய் நந்தினி மேலே விழுவும். ஷீ screamed with fear. பயத்தில் கத்துனாலாம். ஷீ க்ளோஸ்ட் ஹர் ஐஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரை டு கேட்ச் இட். கண்ணை மூடிட்டு அவள் கையில் வந்து விழுந்துச்சான். அதை பிடிச்சிட்டா. ஷீ கேட்ச் இட். Third, she caught it. It was a big green frog, ஒரு பெரிய green frog. Everyone ran away as they were scared of the frog. யாருக்குமே frog பிடிக்காது. So everybody ran out. When Nandini eyes are wide open with surprise, திடீர் நந்தினி கண்ணை திறந்து பார்த்தாள். First she bent her head down and sit quietly, yeah. And now she opened her eyes with surprise. Then she burst into laughter. சிரிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாள். It was a rubber frog. It's not a real frog. It's a rubber frog. As soon as she laughed, her friends and teacher knew why she did not smile or talk to anyone all day. அப்போ தான் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸு டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா why she is not talking with the whole day. Because two of her front teeth was missing. அவளோட முன்னாடி 2 பல்லு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது மிஸ்ஸிங் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ that's why she didn't talk to anybody and she did not answer and she didn't even raise her head. Okay, so this is the lesson. So here some of the exercises. Name the character or speaker. Okay. Okay. Here in this lesson, name the character or speaker. Page number 84. Page number 84. Name the character or speaker. So what is this character? Do you have fever? எது கேட்குறாங்க? Do you have a fever? Who is asking this? Teacher. So இந்த character யார் பேசுனாங்கன்னா teacher. So we have to write the character name of the speaker name. Did someone scold you? Did someone scold you? உன்னை யாராச்சும் திட்டினாங்களா? One of her friends. இந்த கொஸ்டின் யார் கேட்டாங்க? One of her friends asked her. Okay. Then third one. Why does Nandini look so sad? Why does Nandini look so sad? Nandini's friend. இதே question யார் கேட்டாங்க? Nandini's friend asked her. Okay, then are you all right? Are you all right? This question யார் கேட்டாங்க? Teacher. This was asked by the teacher. So note down everything in your classwork, children. Okay, now this name the character or speaker. Do you have a fever asked by the teacher? And did someone scold you? One of her friends. Why does Nandini look so sad? Nandini's friend. Are you all right? That girl by the teacher. And now we will move on to the next one. Answer the following question. Answer the following. Who are the friends referred in the story? Who are the friends? Who are the friends referred in the story? Nandini and Pandi. Nandini and Pandi were the friends. in the story. Okay. So copy down everything, children. Then, how did they go to school? How did they go to school? எப்படி ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகிறாங்க? Answer is they go to school by walk. They go to school by walk. They played and chatted on their way. They played third one. Why was the teacher annoyed? Why was the teacher annoyed? The teacher was annoyed because answer is the teacher was annoyed because Nandini did not answer. Did not answer her when she called out. When she called her name. Okay. Then, did Nandini have fever? So, fourth question is, did Nandini have fever? No, Nandini did not have fever. No, Nandini What was the reason behind Nandini's dullness? What was the reason behind the Nandini's dullness? Answer is two of Nandini's teeth was missing. Okay. Nandini's teeth was missing. Okay, children. So, these are the 5 question answers. These are the 5 question answers. You have to go through this, children, and learn all these questions so that we can able to write everything. Can you understand? Okay, children. We will continue this in the next class. Thank you.